Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if Spotify is playing a random song on iPhone. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen and from here tap on or open up your app store, and from here search for Spotify. Here it is, and from here you will have to simply update your Spotify to the latest version. So guys, download the latest version of Spotify in your device, and after this go back to your home screen and open your Spotify again. So after this you will have to simply tap on this random play or shuffle play button. So if you tap on random play or shuffle play, you will get this pop-up that want to turn off shuffle, you will have to explore premium. So if you want to turn off random play or shuffle play in Spotify, you will have to get a Spotify premium. So for that, go back to your home screen on your Spotify, and from here tap on premium, and from here you can get a premium Spotify according to your desire. So you can get a premium individual, premium student, and premium 2, and the more premium family and premium prepaid. So select anyone and get a premium Spotify, and after this you will be able to turn off random play or shuffle play in your Spotify. So I thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.